Hey guys, thanks for popping in and watching my video. As you can see from the thumbnail, the first hands-on appliance repair training class with Cornerstone Appliance Training is done. And it was a total success. I truly enjoyed it. Also, you're about to hear from a couple of students on how they enjoyed it as well. I just want to give you a quick update on the new class, which is the next one's January the 10th through the 14th. We have made some changes. We learned from the first class. The hands-on appliance training only portion is 4 days. The hands-on appliance training plus business is 5 days. Just so you guys know that. Also, the January class is filling up fast. We just had another guy sign up yesterday. So if you want to get on the January class for the 10th through the 14th, I would sign up as soon as possible. So watch these reviews. If you have any questions, you can go to our website or you can give us a call.
Okay, the training was excellent. Initially, I was a little hesitant because, traveling this far. But Chris, you guys, you're not going to get any better. He's a straight shooter. He's going to tell you what you need to know. It comes from the heart. So A+ all the way. We learned. We're ready to go from day one. Now you're not going to know everything, but just like anything else, you got to follow the videos. You got to prep yourself before you go to an actual customer's house. But Chris, A+, thank you so much. Cornerstone Appliance Training. Go ahead.
Yeah, Cornerstone was good. What I like about the course is, I had no hands-on experience, so this is good for me because it gives me a chance to at least touch the appliances. The online courses are good as well because it breaks everything down. Pretty much gives you a step-by-step as what you need to do. But definitely you got to touch the appliances. It gives you some confidence. And that's what I'm looking for pretty much in getting out there. But all in all, the course is good. Definitely worth the money. So definitely gives it a positive review.